They are from Santiago City, Isabela, Philippines! And they're making their formal LA debut. Please welcome the sisters, Almira, Irene, Mylene, and Selena, better known as Fourth Impact! Are you ready, Carson? They can divide us with the love that says to come and promise I'll be ready. Standing next to you, standing in the fire next to you. Oh, you're deeper than the rain, it's deeper than the pain, but it's deep like DNA, something they can take away. Hey, take off. Standing next to you. Standing next to you, standing next to you, standing next to you. Have to glow, if your body goes, stand in the mood. Feel ready now, all night long, rock to this, dreaming I testify this morning. All night long, rock to this, and I testify, so now they testify. They can't deny your love. They can divide us when survive the test of time. I swear that I'll be right here next to you, in the fire next to you. Oh, you're deeper than the rain, you're deeper than the pain, but it's just like DNA, something they can take away. Hey, take off. Standing next to you. Come on, everybody! Standing next to you. 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 Carson! Standing next to you.
Fourth Impact.
Oh my God.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
I'm loving the energy of Carson!
Wow! Oh my God! Yun lang po ang masasabi namin. This is such an amazing experience for us. A dream come true for us na makita po kayong lahat dito sa US! Oh my God! Thank you so much, Lord.
Smacker UK.
Yes.
Before anything else, we would like to introduce ourselves. We are truly blooded sisters. I'm the eldest. Ako po si Almira!
Hello everyone! Happy Day po sa ating lahat. And I'm Irene, and I'm the second!
Alam niyo po, napaka-special niyo today kasi first time namin pinerform yung Standing Next to You!
By Jungkook!
Ano po yung nagustuhan niyo?
Nagustuhan niyo po ba?
Yes!
Wow! Thank you po!
Alright! And then Beyonce! Charot! Well, we're in, and I'm the third! Gutom yan, gutom. And I'm Selena. Hello, everybody. And I'm Bianca. And again, we are
Fourth Impact!
Happy Independence Day and thank you for having us. Sa lahat po ng organizers for trusting us to be a front act. Oh my God, of Sir Gary V. Kaya nakapaganyan po talaga kami. But
Thank you
anyway,
to Sir Ted Benito
Sir
for
Ted,
believing in us.
salamat
Salamat
po
for
for
this
this
big
So are you ready for more?
More!
For this next song, gusto po namin i-alay to sa inyong lahat. Wherever we go, we will always be proud to be Filipinos. Sana po sabayan niyo po kami if you know the words of this song.
Inaalay po namin to sa inyong lahat. At sana po magtulong-tulong at magkaisa po tayo sa pag-unlad ng ating bansang Pilipinas. This is entitled, Isang Lahi. Ano nga bang halaga ng buhay sa daigdig? Darating ba ang isang yun? At magbabago ang panahon kung ang bawat pagdating ay laging pabulong. Aanhin ka pa dito sa mundo. Ang mga matang nakikita'y di totoo. Mangiting luha ang likuran. At pag ang iyong tanong ay kailan, bakit di natin isabog ang pagmamahal?
Can you sing with us?
Yeah!
Sundan mo
Tanaw!
Ang buhay, mundo ay punan mo ng saya, gawing makulay. Iisa lang ang ating lahi, iisa lang ang ating lipi. Bakit di magmamahal ang ialay mo? Pangunawang tunay ang siyang nais ko, ang pagdamay sa kapwa ay nandiyan sa balang
ang gabi ay mayroong wakas. Pagkatapos ng dilim ay mayroong liwanag. Buhay agad masisikat, ilawan ang ating landas na magkaisa bawat natin. Itaas po natin ating mga kamay! Come on!
Sundan mo ang tanaw, ang buhay. Mundo ay punan mo ng saya, gawing makulay. Iisa lang ang ating lahi, iisa lang ang ating libig. Bakit di pagmamahal? Panganabang tunay siya nais ko, ang pagdamay sa kapwa ay nandiyan sa balat mo. Sa balat mo, sundan mo ang tanaw, ang buhay.
kinakanta namin to.
Alright, bago po namin kantahin ang aming last song, okay lang po ba magkwento kahit konti?
More pa po ba?
Oo nga, be.
Oh my God!
Teka,
At dahil
mamaya.
gusto mo po ng more,
Magiging
magkakaroon po
5
kami ng
impact.
first ever US concert! This coming
Bebe,
June
Erica.
21.
Sa Las Vegas po, and sana po ay
Virgin.
supportahan niyo po kami. And we would like to acknowledge the presence of our producer and our petitioner, R&J Production, Angel R&J Productions, Tita Rowena, Uncle John,
Thank you so
Dr.
much.
Rich. Yes.
Nag-drive pa po sila galing Vegas. Thank you so
Grabe.
much. We really appreciate it.
We love you, Tita Rowena.
Thank you so much
And
also
of course,
to...
Sir Enteng Perez of Enter the Devil Productions.
Thank you so much. Woo!
And later on, mamaya pa nasa booth po kami for our merch. Sana po supportahan niyo po kami. We have our album. We produced it independently. Meron na po kaming 6 original songs. Sana
Dito
po,
natin na-record
supportahan
sa
niyo po ang aming first album para may pambili po yung nanay namin sa Ross at TJ Maxx. Kailangan po namin ng makabenta. Nagpa po kami mamaya sa booth ni Sir Gary.
Ayan,
Grabe.
at dahil na-mention na natin si Mama, gusto po namin pasalamatan ang mama namin. Nandiyan po siya, katabi niyo siya sa likod. Ayan, yun ang t-shirt. Mama, we love you so much. At
We are
Ivy,
proud
thank
to
you so
be
much.
Ilocanos. So,
Alright.
sino Isabella Jan, Santiago
Ayan,
Isabella.
mga Ilocano! Ayan! Paano di ba nan?
Kita kayo ang amin!
Yes.
So, mga ibalag din po. So, this is
Fourth impact.
our audition piece na talagang nagbago po ng buhay namin. Allow us to share to you.
Ay!
Our audition piece, Bang
Bang, bang!
At nandito po kami ngayon sa US para po to continue pursuing our dreams. So sana po supportahan niyo po kami. Nag-grant po ang aming
Hi,
working
ma'am.
visa for 1 year. So abangan niyo po kami sa lahat po ng mga
Hi, Beth.
cities dito
Beautiful.
sa
But before
US.
that, lagi po namin ginagawa ito. Sana po i-follow niyo po kami sa aming social media accounts. Just type 4th Impact, number 4, TH
Ito
Impact.
na.
And lagi po kami nagsa-selfie video.
Yes, and thank you din po mula sa Pinoy Food Republic sa aming napakasarap na almusal at tanghalian.
Yes, gusto niyo Filipina.
Gusto niyo po bang maisama sa aming vlog?
Yeah!
All you gotta do is, this tradition na po namin to, we always say, hi, we're here in Carson, and everybody will scream. Okay na po ba yun?
Yeah!
Sasabihin lang po namin, hi, we're 4th Impact and we're here in Carson, California. And everyone will scream, okay lang po ba?
Okay ba yun?
Okay.
Alright. Ready na ba?
And a 1, and a 2, ilabas nyo na po lahat ng galit nyo dito, ha? Kailangan po malakas ang malakas. Okay? 1, 2. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3. Hi, we're 4th Impact, and we're here in Carson, California! Thank you so much po.
Ito parang mahina yun.
Ay, so, inakas po natin talaga. Practice lang ba yun?
Energy. Okay na pa isa pa?
Okay na yun.
Okay na yun. Sige, may bayad na dollars.
Oo, si Sir Gary na. Let's go. Thank you so much po. Makikita niyo po yung video sa aming pong social media accounts. You can follow us on 4th Impact. And also, if you can subscribe po sa aming channel because we are road to 1 million subscribers on YouTube. Just search 4th Impact. So ready na po ba kayo marinig ang bang bang?
Woo!
I can't hear you.
Woo!
Are you ready for this
Yes!
next song?
Yeah!
Gusto ko na kami bumaba. Bababa lang kami kung saan may malakas sumigaw.
Sige
This
po.
is for you, Carson.
You're waiting for the answer. You'll sing your plans.
support our merch. We have our album and our
We will be in the merch
t-shirt.
booth
After
namin.
this performance, we'll be in our booth.
And also, we will have a show also in Denver this coming June 14 naman po. So, Denver, June 14, and then June 21 in Las Vegas. Sana po masuportahan niyo po kami. And there will be more shows. Yes. And ready? Alright, so ready naman kayo mag-party-party! Itaas mo mga kamay! Diba, ang sarap sa pagtitigil natin. Let's go! Sana ay pinawagwakas itong awit ng pag-ibig. Awit natin ay wag na kalimutan. Pangako ko naman na lagi kang nakikiligan. Magpakailanman. Ready tayo sumayaw! 5, 6, 7, 8. Ang isang pag-ibig, come on! Ay kailangan sa ano pa? Kapag-dalawahan. Kaya't sa ating awit tayo ay magbigay. Sabay-sabay! Awitin mo at isasayaw ko. Sayaw naman dyan! Sayaw! Awitin mo at isasayaw ko. Sing! Masaya pa kami bumaba! Let's go! Saan tayo bumaba? Wow! Saan tayo bumaba? Hello po! Ano ba kayo? Sumita lang ang sumita! Pupunta ba tayo bumaba? Ewan ako ba? Sing the Hey, hey, hey. Birthday man. Sa bawat ilaw, iyong katawanan. Ako ay naluluwanan. Mga problema na'y kanyang hinihintay. Siya'y sinunyo, sumasayaw. It's hard to know. Kakabihan. Bongga-bongga. Sakit lang dilim, nasa wala na. Si Ari Matong Kakay, sumiso, kisarena. Sa lisong siya.
Ay, wala. Mag-charge ko na.